children. Today we are going to revise lesson 12, that is cleanliness and hygiene. Now it is very important to keep ourselves clean and our surroundings clean, that is personal cleanliness and hygiene. So we are going to discuss some objective type question answers in this lesson. Now first of all, what is hygiene? The good practices which we adopt to keep clean in order to remain disease free and healthy are called hygiene. Okay. Now first let us discuss some objective type question answers, that is true and false we are going to discuss now. Keeping clean is very important for a healthy living. Yes, it is very important. Keeping clean is very important for a healthy living. October 16 is celebrated as Global Hand Washing Day. Now that is false, because October 15 is celebrated as Global Hand Washing Day. It is not important to clean ourselves regularly. This statement is false, because it is important to keep ourselves clean regularly. Skin covers our whole body and protects it from germs. This statement is true. Skin covers our whole body and protects it from germs. Number 5, oral hygiene means taking care of teeth and gums. Yeah, this is true. Oral hygiene means taking care of teeth and gums. Clean hair causes itchy scalp, dandruff or other infections. False. Clean hair does not cause all these things. That is itchy scalp, dandruff or other infections. Okay. Clean hair does not cause all these things. If you have clean hair, these things will not be there. So this statement is false. Clothes should be dried in the sun. Yeah, clothes should always be dried in the sun. Unclean drinking water may cause jaundice. Yeah, unclean drinking water causes jaundice. Eating unhygienic food may cause food poisoning. Yes, this statement is true, because if you eat unhygienic food, it may cause food poisoning. Reusing means to use things again rather than throwing them. Yeah, reusing means to use the things again. Instead of throwing them, we can recycle them. That is reusing. This statement is true. Parts of dead plants and animals are non-biodegradable wastes. This statement is false, because parts of dead plants and animals are biodegradable wastes. You know what are biodegradable and what are non-biodegradable wastes? Plastics are biodegradable wastes. This statement is false, because plastics are non-biodegradable wastes. They do not mix up with the soil. Common cold spreads through air. Yes, common cold spreads through air. This statement is true. Malaria and dengue are not caused by mosquito bites. This statement is false, because malaria and dengue are caused by mosquito bites. Vaccines are given for certain diseases at certain ages. Yes, this statement is true, because vaccines are given for certain diseases at certain ages. When a child is born, immediately after the child is born, vaccines are given like BCG, then hepatitis B. All these vaccines are given at certain ages. Okay. Now we are going to discuss some objective type question answers, you can say, like unclean drinking water may cause diseases. What kind of diseases are caused by unclean drinking water? You can say jaundice, typhoid, cholera. All these diseases are caused by unclean drinking water. Now, eating unhygienic food may cause food poisoning. What happens if you eat unhygienic food? So, unhygienic food may cause food poisoning, typhoid and diarrhea. Not washing ourselves properly or wearing unclean clothes can cause skin diseases. What kind of skin diseases are caused? If you wear unclean clothes and if you do not wash yourself properly. Skin diseases like scabies, ringworm or athlete's foot are caused. if you don't wash yourself properly or if you don't wear unclean clothes. Okay. Now next one, diseases like common cold, tuberculosis, influenza and measles spread through air. What kind of diseases spread through air? So you can say diseases like common cold, tuberculosis, influenza and measles spread through air. Any infected person coughing or sneezing without covering the mouth releases germs in the air which may infect a healthy person. So now you can see it is actually whatever news we are getting about coronavirus, we are supposed to wear mask. So if you wear that mask, what would happen? So you may not, if you are infected, you may not infect a healthy person. For that reason we are wearing the mask. Okay, so we have to be aware about ourselves as well as about others also. Now, what diseases are caused by mosquito bites? Malaria, dengue and chikungunya are caused by mosquito bites. Okay, so therefore we should keep our surroundings clean to prevent them from becoming breeding grounds for mosquitoes. Now, we can prevent, very important thing is this, we can prevent spread of this communicable disease. See, COVID-19 is also a communicable disease. So how can we prevent that? By maintaining proper hygiene of our body, food, water and surroundings. We can prevent communicable diseases. This you should understand. Okay. Now you should know that to prevent occurrence of certain diseases in future, children at certain ages are given special medicines. These are called vaccines. What are called vaccines? These special medicines that are given to children at certain ages, they are known as vaccines. Vaccines are given for diseases like influenza, chickenpox, polio and tuberculosis. So we will now talk about biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. We can just revise by giving some examples of biodegradable wastes. Okay, so you can say wastes of peels of fruits, wastes like peels of fruits, vegetables, parts of dead plants and dead animals, then eggshells, cloth and leather goods, wood and paper, all these are examples of biodegradable wastes. Actually they mix up with the soil or with the surroundings after some days. Okay. Now what are non-biodegradable wastes? Waste materials that cannot be decomposed by microorganisms are non-biodegradable wastes. And what are biodegradable wastes? Waste materials that can be easily broken down or decomposed by microorganisms into simpler substances are called biodegradable wastes. So examples of non-biodegradable wastes are plastics, glasses, metals, electronic and medical wastes, certain detergents, then fertilizers and pesticides. So children, you just go through this lesson, read the lesson thoroughly in order to understand the lesson better and learn terms to know hygiene, oral hygiene, biodegradable wastes, non-biodegradable waste and recycling. Please go through the lesson children, just revise it. Thank you.